Cocoa powder, derived from the cacao bean, is a versatile ingredient that offers a wide range of benefits for both your health and your taste buds. From boosting your mood to improving your heart health, cocoa powder is a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your overall well-being. Here are 10 amazing benefits of incorporating cocoa powder into your diet. First and foremost, cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants, which help to combat free radicals in the body and reduce inflammation. These antioxidants can help to protect your cells from damage and lower your risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Cocoa powder is also a great source of flavonoids, which have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. By increasing blood flow to the brain, cocoa powder can help to improve memory, focus, and overall brain health. In addition to its cognitive benefits, cocoa powder can also help to improve your mood. Cocoa contains compounds that stimulate the production of endorphins, the feel-good hormones in the brain. By boosting your mood, cocoa powder can help to reduce stress and anxiety and promote feelings of happiness and well-being. Cocoa powder is also a natural energy booster, thanks to its high content of theobromine, a stimulant that can increase alertness and focus. By incorporating cocoa powder into your diet, you can experience a natural energy boost without the jitters or crash that often comes with caffeine. Furthermore, cocoa powder is a great source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Magnesium is essential for muscle function, nerve function, and energy production, making cocoa powder a great way to ensure you're getting enough of this important nutrient. Cocoa powder is also a good source of iron, which is essential for the production of red blood cells and the transport of oxygen throughout the body. By incorporating cocoa powder into your diet, you can help to prevent iron deficiency anemia and promote overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, cocoa powder is a natural anti-inflammatory, thanks to its high content of flavonoids and antioxidants. By reducing inflammation in the body, cocoa powder can help to alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel disease. Cocoa powder is also a great source of fiber, which is important for digestive health and can help to regulate blood sugar levels. By incorporating cocoa powder into your diet, you can promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, cocoa powder is a natural aphrodisiac, thanks to its ability to increase blood flow to the genitals and stimulate the production of feel-good hormones in the brain. By incorporating cocoa powder into your diet, you can enhance your libido and improve your sexual performance. Finally, cocoa powder is a delicious and versatile ingredient that can be used in a wide range of recipes, from smoothies and baked goods to savory dishes and sauces. By incorporating cocoa powder into your diet, you can enjoy its many health benefits while adding a rich and chocolatey flavor to your favorite dishes. In conclusion, cocoa powder is a powerhouse of nutrients that offers a wide range of benefits for both your health and your taste buds. From boosting your mood to improving your heart health, cocoa powder is a versatile ingredient that can enhance your overall well-being in a delicious and satisfying way. So why not start incorporating cocoa powder into your diet today and experience all of its amazing benefits for yourself?